Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the system's task manager to monitor Roblox. This powerful tool helps you understand how Roblox utilizes your computer's resources, like the processor, memory, and network. By observing these metrics, you can identify potential performance bottlenecks and ensure a smoother, more enjoyable gaming session. We will cover opening the manager, interpreting data, and basic troubleshooting steps. Opening the task manager is quite simple. You can press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape all at once for a quick launch. Another way is to right-click on your taskbar and choose Task Manager from the menu. Once open, navigate to the Processes tab. Here, you will find Roblox Player Beta, EXE, which represents your running Roblox game. The Task Manager displays crucial performance metrics. The CPU column shows processor usage, while memory indicates RAM consumption, often in hundreds of megabytes or a few gigabytes. Network reveals data transfer, which might spike when loading a game. High numbers in any of these areas, such as over 80% CPU or several gigabytes of memory, could suggest a performance problem or lag. To optimize your Roblox experience, first, close any background applications you are not actively using, as they consume valuable resources. If Roblox becomes unresponsive, you can right-click Roblox Player Beta, EXE in the Task Manager, and select End Task. Lowering in-game graphics settings can significantly reduce both CPU and memory demands. For better network stability, consider using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.